Some houses are just buildings. Others hold stories, etched into their walls, imprinted on their steps, passed down through generations. This is 904 South 5th Street in Temple, Texas, a home built in 1909, standing as a monument to a family's legacy, a city's growth, and a time when craftsmanship and community mattered most. At the turn of the 20th century, Rigsby Ledbetter Barclay and his wife, Luzelle Rose, were among the young visionaries shaping Temple. Rigsby, an engineer and businessman, had been poised for Harvard. But duty called him home to oversee family enterprises that spanned from Texas to Mexico. Luzelle, a gifted musician and intellectual, had studied at the University of Texas, her passion for the arts shaping everything she touched. Together, they designed and built this house, not just as a home, but as a statement of their era's innovation and artistry. Unlike most homes of its time, 904 South 5th Street was constructed from poured concrete, a bold and forward-thinking choice in 1909. The walls, 9 inches thick, insulated the home from Texas summers. Its 12-foot ceilings carried the breeze, while a wraparound porch looked out onto towering heritage oaks, already decades old even then. Inside, artistry met engineering. Intricate hardwood floors, ornate transoms, and 5 original gas fireplaces stand as remnants of an era when homes were built to last. And then there is this, one of the home's most enduring marks. At just 2 years old, William Archibald Barclay Jr., the couple's only son, pressed his tiny hand into the still wet steps. More than a century later, that handprint remains, a quiet reminder of the family who once filled this house with life and music. Music was woven into the very fabric of this home. Young William Barclay Jr. possessed a rare talent. By the age of 10, he was playing the church organ by ear. His passion led him to Baylor University, New York's Columbia University, and finally, the Southwestern Baptist Theological Seminary, where he became a professor of organ. But his reach extended beyond the concert hall. He brought music to the airwaves. From 1928 to 1945, Barclay owned a radio station in Fort Worth, one of the early pioneers in Texas broadcasting. His performances, his teachings, his voice, sent out over the air, reaching audiences far beyond the walls of any one room. And now, the airwaves call once again. For the first time in over a decade, the FCC has granted approval for a new low-power FM radio station. And its designated home is right here at 904 South 5th Street. The 80-foot broadcast tower rests in the backyard, waiting to be raised. A rare opportunity, one that could bring local music, storytelling, and voices back to Temple's airwaves. For those who share a passion for radio, the chance to continue this legacy is very real. Beyond the walls of the house, the land itself holds history. Towering heritage oaks, a mature fruiting pecan tree, and a hidden garden in the northwest corner. A quiet sanctuary tucked beneath the shade, where time seems to slow. The original carriage house, now a garage, still stands, alongside structures that have housed everything from tools to dreams of new projects. On the southern side, a fire pit gathering space and a grotto beneath the trees invite conversation, reflection, and the feeling of stepping back in time. While 904 South 5th Street holds history, it has not been left behind. Thoughtful updates ensure it remains as strong as ever. Those updates include a new roof in 2024, recently replaced fencing and exterior paint, 3 recently replaced high-efficiency AC units, updated electrical, plumbing, and mechanical systems, and a lot more. A house built for a century has been prepared for another. Some places are meant to be lived in. Others are meant to be remembered. 904 South 5th Street is both. It is a home where history is not just preserved, but felt. In its walls, in its floors, in the echo of music that once played here. And now, it is ready for its next chapter.